How to fix your DNS server might be unavailable error in Windows 10. If you read the Your DNS server might be unavailable message in Windows Network Diagnostics, try the following tips. First off, check if your PC is properly connected. Then, 1. Run the following commands, as admin, to flush your DNS on your Windows 10, IP protocol configuration /flush IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew. Moreover, for Mac OS viewers, run the below mentioned command in terminal, Mac OS High Sierra, sudo killal hupm DNS responder, sleep 2, echo Mac OS DNS cache reset. Say Mac OS Sierra, sudo killal hupm DNS responder, say DNS cache has been flushed. Mac OS Mojave, sudo killal hupm DNS responder, sleep 2, Mac OS XL Capitan /Yosemite, sudo tscachi util flush cache, sudo killal hupm DNS responder, say cache flushed. 2. Restart your router or reset your router. Note, you better change the default router management login info later. 3. Remove multiple antivirus programs using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide. 4. Try changing DNS servers. Also, enter the IP address manually. Use obtain DNS server address automatically. 5. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter. 6. Reset TCP/IP, command, netshare and IP reset. 7. Disable VPN, proxy, /antivirus /firewall /software. 8. Make sure Windows is up to date.